Huwag na. Aray, guro lang mo lagi katong ikuan lagi ito. Ano itong game sa dolphin call? Ano pa man? 12:30 pa man. Aray, excited ba itong kawaban ba yan? Hi, tita. Aray, aquarium. Aray ko nga. Basa. Kasi basa no? Sa? Pwede basa. Ano mo katao? Tadi ay.
The wings made of feathers that are sticky and flexible. This allows them to fly great heights and maneuver rapidly and defy gravity. Images of birds are flying, soaring to the sky signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not the only skill there. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and talented these birds are. Ladies and gentlemen, let's also have a show for welcoming our flag racing bird, Bandit. Bandit is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Their wing and their feathers are blue and green. This macaw has a white naked face, striped with small red feathers. And there you go, our show was officially started. A round of applause for our flag racing bird, Bandit, Green Alpine.
Hello everyone! Maayong to kaninyong tanan. Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. I am Adrian, your host for today. So everyone, here's an object which I will hide under one of these three silver cups. Now where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, middle. Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Now Goldie is a blue and gold macaw. Guys, do you think Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object? If you believe in Goldie, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find the hidden object for us. And she found it! A round of applause for psychic bird, Goldie with Jennifer. Now our next featured birds are just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning they are partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples will attest, in a relationship there will always be battles. So let's meet Blue and once again Goldie, our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw. And today they will battle it out and who's the best in the basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, say Goldie, 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 Goldie. Good. Now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say Go Blue, Go Blue, Go Blue, Go Blue. Alright, so trainers, birds, ready, set, go. Come on birds. Alright, here comes Blue with his first ball. Goldie, catch up. First ball from Goldie, second ball from Blue. Second ball from Goldie. And the winner is Goldie! Wow! Well, such a close fight. I thought Blue would win, but Goldie wins this time. Hey, Alfie, you guys lose this game. What can you say?
Alright, I think we deserve another race.
Oh, another race?
Okay, are you sure about that? Do you want Blue to lose again?
I guarantee you this time,
Blue and I will win.
Oh, confident.
Okay, so what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race?
I'm thinking of a ring race.
Ring race? What is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
Okay, a ring race it shall be. And remember, girls have already 1 point, so let's cheer loud for blue to win this time. And we'll be doing this again with the ring race. So guys, are you ready for the second round? I can't hear you. Are you guys ready for the second round? Alright, so trainers, birds, ready, set, go! Come on, Blue! Alright, here comes Blue with his first ring! What is this? Oh, Goldie still wins this time! Wow, Goldie completes the 3 rings at the same time! How clever was that, Goldie? Hey, Albie, you guys still lose this time. What can you say about that?
What was that, Jen and Goldie? You guys clearly cheated.
Did you guys cheat?
No, we did not cheat. Goldie used her brain.
So is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Alright, give it up for Blue and Goldie. Now this time, I'll be needing an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Any adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill? Just raise your hand. Anyone? Anyone who wants to volunteer? I'm sorry kids, so we need an adult volunteer for this one. An adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. One, guys. Alright, sir, please come join me here on stage and just get ready with your 500 pesos. One, sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. May I have your name?
Michael.
Give it up for Sir Michael! Alright, sir. May I have your money, please? Let me just hold it. Okay. Now, sir, I want you to stand right here. I want you to stand right there, sir. Face towards me and extend your left arm like this, okay? And I'll put your 500 peso bill between your fingers. Now, sir, do you know what will happen next? Do you know what will happen next?
What happened?
Well, you'll see. Here comes our money bird, Blue. Alright. Now, sir, are you ready? Better be, because here comes Blue. Blue flies over, gets the money. What will you do, Blue? Blue flies back, and what will Blue do with the money? Blue wants to donate the money! Give it up for Sir Michael, our donor! Now, sir, before you go back to your seat, may I just ask you first, did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is a rescue center for the animals? Well, now you know, sir, and your money will go a long way. We're really grateful for that. Thank you so much, sir. Give it up for a generous donor! Well, how about another volunteer, but this time for a 1,000 peso bill? Anyone? Donation for the animals. No more? Well, sir, Sir Michael, are you okay? Oh, but we need an adult volunteer for this one, sir. We're so sorry. It's okay, ma'am, if it's you. But Sir Michael, are you okay? Are you sure? Really? But I can feel that you're sad. Sir, we're actually just kidding. Oh, okay, let's see. Okay, ma'am will volunteer. All right. So ma'am, let's do it one more time. Extend your left arm. Okay. Let me just put this correctly. Okay, extend it like that. Now blue. Oh, let's see your hand. Okay. Now blue, shall we? There you go. Blue flies over, gets the money once again, and what will you do, Blue? Well, there you go. Blue flies back and still Blue donated the money. Give it up for a generous volunteer. No, ma'am, may I ask you your name?
Mika.
Okay, give it up for Miss Mika. No, Miss Mika and Sir Michael, are you guys okay? No. Well, again, we're just kidding. Please come back here on stage. You'll have a photo session with Blue. Just bring with your camera. Come on. Now, ma'am, Miss Mika, you can also come here. Please bring your camera with you. They can also come up. Are there any? Come join. All right, now you, sir. Sir Michael, you go first. How about you? Okay, come on, sir. Please stay right here. I'll take your picture, sir. All right. Okay, smile and pose together with Blue. All right, there you go. Here's your phone back, sir, and hold on, sir. Here's your. Well, give it up for a volunteer. Thank you so much, Sir Michael. No, ma'am, you next. Give it up for a generous volunteers and our money bird Blue. Now this time we are going to show you Blue's amazing flying ability. So everyone, please take your seats, ready your cameras, and please avoid raising your hands as Blue will fly above your head. Now once again, Blue is a blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on their backs and a solid shade of yellow on their bellies and in their wings. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. Blue and gold macaw belongs to a large group of parrots, measuring about 80 centimeters in length and can live up to 70 years old. And their scientific name is Ara ararauna. These birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as papaya, durian, rambutan, and they love corn. We also give them sunflower seeds and trees. There you go, once again, our money bird Blue.
Oh, we don't gotta accept.
Alright, now who here loves math? Everyone knows addition, right? Well, this next part of our show will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as strangers. But before we continue, I'll be needing two numbers from you guys between 1 to 50. First number, please. 29. Am I right? 29? Okay. Next number, please. 32. Okay. Alright, so our equation would be 29 plus 32. Now we all know the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve the equation for us. But before that, let me shuffle the numbers first. Okay. Now guys, are you ready to meet our mathematical wizard? Now let's call it Snow. Alright, there you go. Now Snow is a molten comma too. Now Jan, our equation will be 29 plus 32. Is Snow ready? Okay, Snow, please solve the equation for us. Snow picks the number 6. Now let's see for the second number, Snow. Snow picks the number 1. She answered it correctly. Give it up for a mathematical wizard, Snow. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now here comes Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting the shapes back to its correct slot. Now just like Bandit, Greenwing macaws are from northern to southern America. These birds are the second largest parrots, next to the hyacinth macaws. These birds can measure up to 90 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Also, their scientific name is Arachnopterus. These birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbeds. Now, did you know, guys, these animals have very good memory and can remember even the smallest details. There you go, pretty intelligent, right? Round of applause for Bandit with Alfie. Now for this last part of our show, I'll be needing one last adult volunteer. Anyone who wants to volunteer? No? Oh, yes, sir. Please come join here on stage. And today, you are going to open a gift for us. Guys, as you all notice, the birds in our show are parrots. That is because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically kind. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. May I have your name?
Chris.
Give it up for Sir Chris. Now, sir, let's stay here behind the table. Now, sir, you are going to open a gift for us today. Do you have any idea what kind of gift would it be?
No.
Well, I'll give you an idea. This gift is the experience of our cutest, fluffiest, and most gorgeous animal here in Cebu Park. So are you ready, sir? Okay, now let's bring out our gift. There you go, sir. Now, sir, in a count of 3, you are going to open this gift box, okay? All right, now everyone, please help me count. In 3, 2, 1, and open the gift! There you go, there's Sammy or Savannah Monitor Lizard! Now guys, Savannah Monitor Lizards are native from the jungles of Africa. These animals can grow up to 5 feet in length and can weigh up to 10 kilograms or around 20 pounds. Now sir, look to the camera, smile, pose together with Savvy. Alright, there you go. Now guys, give it up for Brave Volunteer and Savvy. Thank you so much, sir. Now Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the ocean, but to those who are in the land and air as well. Now who here knows the 3 R's of improper waste disposal? It's the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Now here comes our lovely birds once again, and they'll show us the proper waste disposal. Now sad to say guys, a lot of our animals are struggling their lives right now due to pollution and improper waste management. Remember that there's no huge amount of money or advanced technology that can help solve this global problem. So everyone, let's come together and help save one of the most greatest creation of God and a gift of Mother Nature. And see if our birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our show. Are the animals spectacular? Well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from extinction. Let's do our part in saving this world because remember, this is the only home we got. Now let's present to you the animals and trainers that made the show possible. We have Snow with Jennifer. Hi. Bandit with Alfie. Ellison, our sound guy up there. And along with the other staffs here in Cebu Ocean Park. Again, this is me, Adrian, your host for today. Have a good day. Bye, guys. Oh, Bandit wants to say something. What is it, Bandit? Bandit wants to say, Happy New Year, everyone. Bye. Bye, Bandit.